Take 498. We're here at MetLife with Cody Darr, the Supercross feature rider. How are you feeling for this weekend?
Feeling good. Ready to go out and tear it up. Hit the whoops. Oh, we haven't made it far in the hotel elevator.
It's not the time, Cody. Fuck. I don't know what the fuck, dude.
There it is. There it is. Yeah, now close the door.
Oh my god. Shit.
All right, we're moving, people. We're moving.
I think I gotta be like that.
We're moving.
No, I'm away. Bitch.
Well, guys, we made it to the track. First impressions, Derek?
Gnarly.
It does look gnarly, guys. Should be fun, though. Looking forward to it. It's just from press day.
Here, obviously this is the pinnacle of off-road motorcycle racing. You guys all know that. That's why you're sitting in these seats trying to become.
Getting ready for first practice. Free practice. How you feel, Lily? What do you think? What do you think, Derek? Nate? We're good to go. What's up, guys? We're out here, day 2. Derek, doing a little bit of track walk. Checking out the lay of the land, see where we can make up some time from yesterday. Alright guys, just giving you a little update here on race day. Derek had free practice this morning and then had qualifying 1. Did pretty good free practice, 54-second lap time. Qualifying 1, he came out and ran a 53-second lap time, 53.4. So that's good. We're getting faster each time hitting the track, so that's what we like to see. Out here in the pits right now. Just getting ready for qualifying 2 and meet some fans and stuff. Alright guys, we're on the gate for quali 2. Getting ready to start off the gate. We got the fam up in the fucking stands, checking it out. Shit. Let's get it, dude. Alright guys, quali 2's over. He did alright, 54.0, but we're going to take the 53-second lap time for quali 1. That'll put him 13th, so. What do you guys say, Derek?
It's gnarly.
Gnarly? Yeah, the track's beat, so. On to the night show, guys.
That's bad.
Night show, boys. Hey guys, we're back home from MetLife. Pretty cool experience racing the Supercross Futures. I was mechanicking for Derek a little bit, and that was pretty cool. And I got him here with me. How was your weekend, Derek?
Not bad considering zero SX experience, but we'll take the good from it, learn from it. Maine was going half decent, terrible start like usual, but came out, made a comeback, but then didn't know our limits with, what was it, a 10-minute or 8-minute moto or something like that, so didn't know how much I could push without dying, so kept the lap times the same, and like I said, we'll learn from it and go on, move on from it. So
all right.